Stop taking selfies with your front camera. Start taking perfect 50 megapixel selfies with the Flip7. Celebrate your moment with the rear camera. Perfect, just with one hand. And of course, never miss your bestie in the moment.
Hi, bestie.
This is not a filter. Pro Visual Engine takes your picture quality to the next level.
Hi, everyone. This is my morning routine with Mochi. First, now brief. It's like having a personal assistant keeping me ahead of the day. For me, today is a day with Mochi. As you can see, it's a big day. It's Mochi's first ever dog show. I'm nervous, he's not. All the important things are right there, even Mochi's pictures. Obsessed. Competition time. Let's check out some pro tips before the show. For our first victory. Full transparency, he didn't win. But who cares? He gets first prize for cuteness.
Welcome back. I found this insane place. I have no idea what to try first. Let's find out. Hey, Gemini, can you tell me how to eat this?
Wow, I see a delicious spread with Peking duck. Step 1, place the duck as on the pancake. Step 2, add the cucumber, spring onion, and wrap it like a mini burrito.
Which sauce do you recommend?
That hoisin sauce is a traditional Peking duck sauce. It's a bit sweet. The red sauce is chili oil. It can get pretty spicy.
You only live once, right? It's so hot!
Gemini, where are the best Asian restaurants around here?
These are the top 3 Asian restaurants near you.
Cool. Save them through my Samsung notes.